Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have Glam Polish Draught of Peace. This is such a pretty polish. This is Draught of Peace Glam Polish. It's filled with flaky yummy goodness. I'm in heaven. I've started off my manicure with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. This is a beautiful dark blue jelly with strong Aurora shimmer and an ultra hollow micro glitter. And I'm sold. It's just so pretty. The camera never does these polishes justice. When you've got like a multi-chrome that changes from purple to teal to blue to whatever, oh my gosh, you just can't capture it. Working on it. So here we go with our second coat. And that's all I'm going to need for this gorgeous polish. And it was really easy to apply. I didn't have any trouble with flooding or streaking or anything. And sorry about the blurriness, but I am topping it here with the Pro FX Quick Draw Top Coat real quick. And there's a photo of it on its own. This is Pueen SE048. This is a plate that my friend Becky sent me. It's a double-sided plate like the Additive plates. I've got my beauty scraper out, my Conad stamper, and I got Maniology's pewter to stamp with today. And I'm just going to go all over this plate, pulling different parts of this image up and just popping it on my nails. I love plates like this, and you guys know I've been needing some swirly twirlies. So we have them today. Yay! I really do like how well this plate worked. I've never seen these big Pueen plates like this. I've no idea where she got this one from. But I'm just going around pulling different bits and pieces, and all the nails are going to be different, but you know, in the same vein so that they'll work. They'll look good together. Tapping down all those little flyaways. Swoop. There we go. Pick up. And then stick it on the nail. Now this nail's not going to be totally covered up as much as the rest of them, so more of that color can still pop through. I'm telling you, I had so much fun playing with this one and looking at it under different lighting and turning my hand. Woo. You guys know how us nail junkies are. We can entertain ourselves for hours with stuff like that. Oh my goodness. So I am cleaning this plate off with the pure acetone and wiping it with a paper towel before I put it away. I do like to do this before I put my toys away. And then I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up any excess off of my skin around my fingernails. And after I'm done with the tape part, I jump on in with a cleanup brush and some acetone. Very minimal cleanup. I'll be using the smudge-free top coat from Maniology real quick. It dries really fast, but as soon as it's dry, I'm going to be topping it with Fast and Hard from Vibrant Funnels. Beautiful, beautiful. So I really did enjoy this manicure. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Here we go with that last little bit of top coat. Capping that free edge. Ta-da! And here is my manicure in motion. I think I have the lighting up to a little too high, but you can see it doing the blue and the green. But it also flashed purple, so what fun. Here's my swatch photo. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.